Wingstop who? Asian Wingstop, that's who.
Hey, how's it going, fellow fried chicken lovers? In today's episode, I am going to teach you how to maximize your Asian flavors in this fried chicken recipe here. Let's begin. First, make sure to wash your chicken and pat dry with a paper towel. Then you're going to want to season the chicken wings with 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper, and then add 1 teaspoon of 5 spice. We're just gonna let that sit for at least an hour. I did this 2 hours prior to frying. Now you want to prepare the rest of your aromatics and the rest of the seasonings. You can add or subtract whatever you don't like. First, we have 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of white onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of red pepper, but if you are a chili lover, go ahead and put chili, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of green onion, 2 tablespoons of shallots, and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and a handful of Thai basil.
So we're gonna take our chicken wings and coat them in some flour.
In a large pot, add some neutral oil in and wait until the oil is hot enough to fry. I do the chopstick trick where you just stick it in to see if there are any bubbles that come out, and that's how you know it's ready. Make sure your pan is at the medium to high heat. Now let's add the chicken wings one by one and be careful not to crowd the pan. Fry them for at least 3 minutes on one side and then flip them on the other side for another 3 minutes. Take out the wings and place them on a plate with a paper towel. Now we're gonna fry the wings on high heat, and you're gonna wanna fry them until they're golden brown. See that golden brown goodness? This is when you want to take them out. Once all the chicken is out, you can throw your basil in, but be careful because basil holds a lot of water. Now we're gonna add everything in our pan here. Start with some oil, add your shallots, and we're gonna cook our shallots until they start to become translucent. Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of onion, your garlic and your ginger, add your lemongrass, green onion, tablespoons of white pepper, a teaspoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of red pepper, or for my spicy chili lovers, add your spice. Make sure you're mixing well to combine all the ingredients. Now for the marriage between the chicken and all the flavors are about to happen. Give it a toss here for a minute and then add the cilantro. Okay, time to plate, my favorite part. If you guys want, I made a sauce to go with it. I'll write it down in the description box below for you.
Ha ha! Look at that! We're gonna put some lime on top. Ooh, glorious! That lime brings out such a brightness, and there's so much flavor with the onion, basil. It's like kind of refreshing. You guys, this is so easy. just chop up a bunch of aromatics, fry it, and you're good to go. Oh my god. I'm gonna finish this up. If you guys liked this content, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys like fried chicken, because I love fried chicken, and I'm sure you do too. See you guys next week.